I was born in February in the rain. As the drops fell, I drank from a western well, binding me to a life by the cowboy creed and a curse born like a badge. The curse ain't death, yet she lingers nearby and watches from the arena every single ride. The curse is life behind restless eyes, chained to the chase, a young smile on an aging face. Life by the cowboy creed meant riding for the brand, riding tough, riding free. You saddle up in the face of fear and despair. You ride straight through hell just to tell the devil you ain't scared. When times were tough, we slept on cots and parking lots and bathed in rivers and creeks. We didn't need much, just enough to pay for fuel and fees. And all the gals in all the towns damned our curse and cursed our creed and prayed for the day they'd be set free. As the wild times and wild rides took their toll, the curse surrendered my body, the creed kept my soul. My days of riding bulls are fleeting, but I still grasp at the rope and the feelings. My eyes are still restless and long to roam. The gals still try to hold me, but by morning I still go. Now at night I feel my scars beneath the stars and smile at the memories that remain, and tip my hat to curse and creeds and give thanks to February rain. Thank y'all.